this is how you can open an account here, a free account. So let's say we are opening Nifty's chart here, for example, and it shows us this, and then we click, let's say we want to add RSI to it. We type in RSI, and we can do all sorts of things here. And when we do this, it'll give us this option. So it's asking us to sign up here. So we'll click on the email address. So put in the email address, click on all this. So enter your username that you want and create an account here. Yeah, create an account. It will send you a link. You'll get this mail. Click on activate account and it'll give you some options, and all you can just enter your name here. Click on continue. Now it's giving you some plans, right? But if you go down here, so when you click on launch chart, you'll be able to see this. You don't have to go for any plan. It's a basic plan, it's a free plan, and you'll be able to add all these features. You'll be able to click and see the replay, and this is a free chart, and you can even add other indicators here. Let's say we want to add RSI. You just click here and type in RSI, relative strength index. You can add this, and if you want to add a moving average to the price, you can even do that. Just go here, type moving average, select this, and that's how you'll be able to add it. And you don't have to go for a free trial. It's a free account.